Hello friends, hello students, hope you all are very good at your home. Today we are here with the snapshot book, your supplementary book, and in this book we are going to study the first chapter, The Summer of Beautiful White Horse, a very lovely and sweet story of the two brothers. Hope you enjoyed it. So let's have a story. This is your William Saroyan, your writer. Who is that gentleman? This gentleman is an Armenian-American writer who just got the Pulitzer Award also for his dramas and plays. The Summer of the Beautiful White Horse. This is the title of your story. The summer represents here the summer season, and the beautiful white horse represent that the whole story is about the beautiful white horse. In this story, you have two main protagonists, Aram and Murad. So here is your Aram, 9-year-old boy who is very innocent, true Armenian, just believe in trust and honesty. His cousin Murad, a 13-year-old boy and cousin brother of Aram. He is known for his crazy tricks. So let's move to the story. One day back, they were in the good old days when I was 9 and the world was full of every imaginable kind of magnificence. And life was still a delightful and a mysterious dream. My cousin Murad, who was considered crazy by everybody who knew him except me, came to my house at 4 in the morning and woke me up tapping on the window of my room. So the story is just narrated like a fairy tale. So the boy, your narrator Aram, just called him that he was 9 when the world is full of every beautiful and admirable scene, and his life was very delightful and a mysterious dream. One day in the morning at 4 o'clock, his brother Murad came to him and tapping at his window and just called him, Aram, Aram, Aram. I jumped out of bed and looked out of the window. I could not believe what I saw. It wasn't morning yet, but it was summer with daybreak not many minutes around the corner of the world. It was light enough for me to know I wasn't dreaming. So when he heard, Aram ने जब अपनी आवाज़ सुनी, नाम सुना, तो फटाक से उठ गया और वो जाकर विंडो के बाहर देखता है तो उसे बिलीव नहीं होता है कि क्या उसने अपनी आंखों के सामने देखा. क्या देखा? My cousin Murad was sitting on a beautiful white horse. I stuck my head out of the window and rubbed my eyes. So what he observed, you can also see here. Yes, this is called beautiful white horse. That Murad just came with that beautiful white horse. Isn't it really very imaginable and very beautiful? So anybody can just rub his eyes, that means unbelievable on his own eyes, that he just observed a beautiful white horse in front of his eyes. Yes, he said in Armenian, it's a horse, you are not dreaming. Make it quick if you want to ride. They both belong to the Armenian tribe and a Garogalian family. So, that is known for the trust and honesty. I knew my cousin Murad enjoyed being alive more than anybody else who had ever fallen into world by mistake. But this was more than even I could believe. In the first place, my earliest memories had been memories of horses, and my first longing had been longing to ride. So, this is the utmost desire of Aram. Aram कई समय से वो चाहता था कि वो भी वाइट हॉर्स पर एक राइड ले, जो कि काफ़ी ज़्यादा खूबसूरत ड्रीम था उसका. दिस वॉज द वंडरफुल पार्ट. और अब जब उसके सामने एक ब्यूटिफुल वाइट हॉर्स खड़ी है, so it just dream comes true. But in the second place, we were poor. I told you they belong to the Armenian tribe, and that tribe honesty and trust is a hallmark, but they are poverty stricken. This was the part that wouldn't permit me to believe what I saw. We were poor, we had no money. Our whole tribe was poverty stricken. Even every branch of the Garagalian family was living in the utmost amazing and comical poverty in the world. So it is a description about their tribe. Nobody could understand where we ever got money enough to keep us with food in our bellies, not even the old men of the family. Most important of all, though, we were famous for our honesty. We had been famous for honesty for something like 11 centuries. So जैसा कि आप देख सकते हो, आपके नैरेटर ने आपको बताया है कि ये जो ट्राइब है आर्मेनियन, वो काफ़ी 11 सेंचुरी से काफ़ी ज़्यादा फेमस है वो अपनी ऑनेस्टी और ट्रस्ट के लिए. लेकिन द मोस्ट आयरॉनिकल थिंग इज़ दैट दे आर वेरी पुअर. वो काफ़ी गरीब हैं. दे आर वेरी वेरी पॉवर्टी स्ट्रिकन. वी लाइक टू थिंक वॉज द वर्ल्ड. Even when we had been the wealthiest family in what we liked to think was the world, we were proud, first honest, and next and after that we believed in right and wrong. None of us would take advantage of anybody in the world, let alone steal. So this world where all the people are materialistic and they are just deceiving each other, this tribe is just having the hallmark of honesty and trust. Consequently, even though I could see the horse so magnificent, the horse is very beautiful. Even though I could smell it, so आप समझ सकते हो how he is so excited and adventurous to look at the white horse in front of his eyes. इतना उसको excitement हो रहा है कि he starts smelling that horse. So lovely, even though I could hear its breathing. वो उसकी सांसें तक सुन सकता है. So exciting, I could not believe the horse had anything to do with my cousin Murad or with me or with any of the other members of our family, asleep or awake, because I knew my cousin Murad could not have bought the horse, and if he could not have bought it, he must have stolen it, and I refused to believe he had stolen it. Here your narrator becomes nostalgic. What do you mean by nostalgic? Nostalgic means the longings of the previous memories, both sad and excitement. So आपका जो आराम है वो अपनी प्रीवियस मेमोरीज़ को लेकर वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड है और एक तरफ वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा डरा भी हुआ है क्योंकि वो जो मुराद के पास घोड़ा है, वाइट हॉर्स है, वो उसे बिलीव नहीं हो रहा है कि मुराद ने उसे ख़रीदा होगा. ऑब्वियसली बिकॉज दे आर पॉवर्टी स्ट्रिकन. एंड अगर उसने इसे चुराया है तो इट्स वेरी हार्ड टू बिलीव क्योंकि वो जो ट्राइब है, जो फैमिली है, वो अपने ट्रस्ट और ऑनेस्टी के लिए जाना जाता है. तो ऑब्वियसली ये बिलीव कर पाना कि उसके किसी भी फैमिली मेम्बर और ट्राइब मेम्बर ने कभी चोरी की होगी, इट्स हार्ड टू बिलीव. No member of the Garagalian family could be a thief. I stared first at my cousin and then at the horse. There was a pious stillness and humor in each of them, which on the one had delighted me and on the other frightened me. So here especially this word can explain it. It's nostalgic feeling that one side, one hand आराम जो है वो काफ़ी डिलाइटेड है उस वाइट हॉर्स को देखकर, दूसरी तरफ वो काफ़ी डरा हुआ है क्योंकि वो उसे लगता है कि वो घोड़ा जो है वो हो सकता है चोरी का होगा. Murad, I said, where did you steal this horse? Leap out a window, he said, if you want to ride. It was true then. He had stolen the horse. There was no question about it. He had come to invite me to ride or not as I choose. So, अब तो मुराद आराम के लिए बहुत ही क्लियर है कि वो घोड़ा चोरी का है और उसे ऑफर मिला है हॉर्स राइडिंग का. Well, it seemed to me stealing a horse for a ride was not the same thing as stealing something else, such as money. For all I knew, maybe it wasn't stealing at all. So यहाँ पे इस लाइन्स में तो क्लियरली आराम ने अपने आप को बहुत ही अच्छे तरीके से कन्विंस किया है कि चोरी के घोड़े पर राइड करना पैसे चुराने जितना तो बड़ा नहीं है. So he convinced himself and he just ready to have a ride. If you were crazy about horses the way my cousin Murad and I were, it wasn't stealing. ऑब्वियसली वो जो राइड होता है घोड़े की राइड का एक सपना, जो ड्रीम था इन दोनों भाइयों का, जिस तरीके से ये क्रेजी थे उस चीज़ों के लिए, अगर वो चीज़ें उन्हें मिल रही हैं तो इसे चोरी नहीं कह सकते. He convinced himself very well. It wouldn't become stealing until we offered to sell the horse, which of course I knew we would never do. So they are not going to sell that horse for the purpose of their money. So let me put on some clothes. I said, all right, he said, but hurry. I leapt into my clothes. I jumped down to the yard from the window and leaped up onto the horse behind my cousin Murad. So in this video, यहाँ तक की वीडियोज़ में आपको ये ब्यूटीफुल उसके नॉस्टैल्जिक एक्सप्रेशन के बारे में हमने आपको बताया है. नेक्स्ट वीडियो जो कि आपके प्लेलिस्ट में अटैच है, आप उस पर जाइए, उसे देखते हैं कि हमारे आराम ने किस तरीके से उस ब्यूटीफुल वाइट हॉर्स की राइड